Yes, Agastya Malai zone that has been declared as biosphere reserve, recognized by UNESCO. Agastya Malai in which two areas? Kerala as well as Tamil Nadu. Kerala Tamil Nadu boundary Agastya Malai, and UNESCO has recognized Agastya Malai as 10th biosphere reserve recognized by UNESCO. Before that, uh, UNESCO has recognized which particular biosphere reserve? UNESCO has recognized Great Nicobar, right? It was 10th biosphere reserve recognized by UNESCO. Overall in India, how many biosphere reserve we have? 18, but 8 are yet to be recognized by UNESCO. For example, Rann of Kutch, no recognition. Manas, no recognition. Also, Panna, no recognition. 10 are recognized, 8 are yet to be recognized. So 10. So Agastya Malai recently has, you can say, fulfilled the kind of parameter required for UNESCO recognition, Agastya Malai. In Western Ghat area, one more national park of the Kerala, Idukki National Park, Kerala, in which one kind of survey took place about the bird, you can say, counting the birds. In Idukki National Park. Idukki National Park in Kerala also remained in news due to survey regarding the birds, etc. So, kind of zone you can draw in the map in one which important area remained in news a lot. And in wildlife, also Haryana remained in news. Which place of Haryana? Pinjore. Due to which reason? In Pinjore area, especially for scavengers, vulture. So first you can say a kind of area in Pinjore for vulture, yes, for reintroduction of the vulture in that area, and certain kind of vultures which are critically endangered. For example, one name is vulture, which vulture? Jib vulture, which are critically endangered, and some Himalayan vulture, or also called as griffon vulture, have been introduced in Pinjore area. But griffon vulture, unlike jib vulture, these are vulnerable rather than critically endangered. So these vulture also you can say. So in Pinjore area, that is basically natural habitat or captivity. Captivity. So captive breeding, you can say this one. That is not their natural habitat, but through captive breeding, you can say numbers of vultures to be increased in our Pinjore area. So vulture are very important part of the food chain, basically consuming the dead bodies and then helping in decomposition, you can see. India is having number of vultures, those are in critically endangered species. For example, one famous critically endangered red-headed vulture, critically endangered. So many vultures of India, number of vultures declined considerably in India in the past. Any one of you can tell me the reason why vulture decreasing in numbers? Due to diclofenac used in cattle, especially for anti-inflammation drug. Then diclofenac so much in the dead bodies of the cattle. Once vultures consuming the cattle bodies after their death, then it is also entering their body, because diclofenac is which kind of pollutant? Degradable, non-degradable? Non-degradable. So basically it is accumulating in their bodies through food chain in large number, large quantity. That we call even which kind of biomagnification of diclofenac, biomagnification, in which non-degradable pollutant increasing a lot in the high carnivorous or top carnivorous. So vultures, if consuming in their lifetime 10 cattle, then entire amount of 10 cattle diclofenac will also enter their body. You can say that is magnified then. Then their number have decreased considerably by consuming all these. Certain kind of species, certain kind of you can say wildlife remained in use due to the new finding in India. For example, in South India, 4 miniature frogs also spotted. Miniature is frogs means very small size in millimeter, and the name of the frogs like red cliff frog, in which area 4 miniature frogs in Western Ghat area, red cliff frog, and number of the frog, but their size is very small in millimeter rather than centimeter even. So miniature frogs, you can say 4 miniature frog species found in Western Ghat area. Even in Sikkim, one more species have been identified, Paika. In Sikkim, Paika is basically very similar to which kind of mammal? Rabbit and hare. So Paika, that is very similar to rabbit and hare. This mammal has been found in Sikkim area. So new Paika species of this kind discovered in Sikkim area.